What's up, YouTube family? Join me for breakfast. Freshly brewed coffee and some seasoned flatbread, also known as your Focaccia bread or Za'atar bread. Keep watching and I'll show you how we make this. Welcome back to my channel. It's Caribbean Ducks. And if you're new here, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Now let's get started. We're gonna need a bowl, nice glass bowl for mixing, a baking tray, a nice thin one. We're gonna need olive oil. We're gonna need dry activated yeast, 1 packet. We're gonna need our Za'atar, which is made from the sumac flour that's been preserved. Very delicious and tasteful. Very popular in the Middle East, in Turkey. Keep watching for more recipe with Za'atar. Gonna have more in the future. Now we go in with 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Add your yeast to it. And we're gonna combine all these dry ingredients and mix it well. Now we're gonna make a small well in the flour and slowly drizzle in our water and fold it in to become a nice dough. Now we're going in with about 1.75 cups of water here. This is gonna be a nice sticky dough, not your usual roti or bread dough. It's gonna be very sticky. That's the way we want it. Now we're gonna drizzle in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil and fold that in as well. No kneading required. We're just folding it in. This is the easiest bread recipe. Very popular in the Middle East, in Turkey, and other parts of the world as a breakfast bread. Now we're gonna drizzle on some more olive oil on the top. And we're gonna cover it with a towel and set it aside, preferably a nice warm place. I choose the oven with the lights on to keep it warm and nice, and let it do its thing. It's gonna set its gluten and rise. The next day, we take it out, and this is what it should look like. Nice and gooey and sticky. And now we're gonna transfer that onto the baking tray. First, we're gonna hit it up with some olive oil to coat the bottom of the tray. Make sure you get it in all the corners. And then scoop your dough right onto the tray. And we're gonna spread it out to each corners, flatten it. And now we're gonna dimple it. And this is just to give it some texture so we can add our seasoning on top of it. And we're gonna go in with a Za'atar. Maybe about 3 tablespoons of Za'atar. We're just gonna randomly sprinkle right over one side. And this stuff is very flavorful. It's got a lemony flavor. It's also mixed with thyme and other seasoning. Very flavorful. And now for the other half, we're gonna go in with our rosemary salt. And this is very easy to make. Fresh rosemary, just chop it up very finely. Go in with 1 teaspoon of kosher salt and mix it all together. And that's how you get your rosemary salt. Quick and easy. Give it a quick mix. And we're gonna go in with approximately 1 tablespoon of this stuff on the other half of the bread in a moment. guys, this is the simplest bread recipe with lots of flavor as well. Now we're gonna drizzle on some more olive oil right on the top of the seasoning. We're gonna let it sit for a little bit right on top of the oven as we bring it up to temperature. We're gonna bring it up to 450 degrees. When we reach that temperature, we put our bread mixture in on the top shelf. And we're gonna set our timer to 25 minutes. Hit start. And now we're back to take a look at it. Smelling wonderful, delicious, got a nice crust on it. I'm gonna probably put it back in for another 2 minutes to get a nice dark crust. And this is it, folks. Breakfast is ready. Focaccia, Za'atar bread, ready with some nice hot coffee. Thank you for checking out this quick and easy bread recipe. Hope you guys give it a try. Please do come back and check my channel again for more videos like this. I appreciate you. You guys have a wonderful day.